Ain't no music in that shit box.
Get it, y'all boys.
boys.
How you feeling?
Feeling good, I ain't gonna lie. That's all I want to do. Just want to get my car tuned to drive it. That's all. That's what we doing today.
Big facts.
Hey man, so you trying to do my up rev? Got up rev the Maxima. I'll help y'all jack it up.
That's a fucking fridge.
He went to get some snacks. He gotta make some numbers.
We're about to go crazy.
Nah, that nigga cut the water, bro. Yeah, his.
Yeah, Mark's in water for real. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey yo, what the f? I'll run to Miami and back and drive that. I can't go up and down the stairs and then drive Corey's car, bro.
That shit heavy as
Crying, bro.
bro. Stay 6.
So what was that?
Stay 6 is like the highest though, unless you go twin disc next.
Because he texted me the car, and the next day I went and bought it. Yeah, that's how I bought the car. That's how I came across it. I was looking for, I was going to buy an agent. I remember I called Corey one day, I was like, bro, I got an agent.
How much you think you're gonna make?
220.
I said the same thing too, bro. 220 tops.
I'm gonna go between the 220 and the high 230s range. I got hope.
I wish. I hope.
What this graph mean, bro? My fault, all up in your face and shit.
You got him with the back up.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't feel like bro, back up, bro. You got me talking too much, bro. All you gotta do is get the chase, bro, so you can get a crazy, bro. Bro, back up a little bit, bro. Watch out.
Axis and your Y-axis. Your air is on your X-axis.
Okay.
On the Y-axis, you have your fuel. You want it to be as consistent as possible. Right now, we're following the average of 11.5 on the air-to-fuel ratio. You want to keep the slope even, right? As long as the slope stays at about 1,
Yeah.
you're good. Bro, Y equals mx plus b. You ain't learned that?
You learn that, Jerry?
That's what he doing right now. Y equals mx plus b.
Oh, sure, you learned that?
A slope of 1 is a 45-degree line. We're not doing a slope of 1.
Come on, Jerry.
Slope goes like this. If it's constant, it'll be like this.
It's a constant slope. What is this?
That's not a constant slope.
That's a constant slope. You can have a constant slope in English.
So we don't have the capacity.
198 on the second pull, man. 198 already.
Give me 205 next pull.
What happened if I get the right number?
It's not that high.
I think it's gonna make like 221.
220 is a great fucking.
Yeah, if you pass, I don't know why he posted up like that. I don't know who this think he is.
I got his car. Barely wait for the outlet. I go out. I'm running through. Cool wait.
Yeah, this shit holding up, man. We installed the RBC the other day. He's zeroing in the air to fuel. Vibe, bro. What's good with you?
I'm not two-stepping my car, but I'm a zo-stepping.
Where? What that look like? What it sound like? What it sound like? What it sound like?
Stop playing with them, Riot.
Are we stepping out on our relationship? Is that what that's for?
Go with him so he's gonna teach you how to do the RPM time.
To verify right now the setting, you press cancel. You press the clutch and press cancel, and you see where it's set right now. With the clutch down, so you wanna down like 500, every touch is like 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bro, that's all that nigga. Every red light. Every red light.
You press the clutch and press cancel. The two-step every time is on, but to verify and set, you know, so you wanna down the two-step or up a little bit, press the clutch and press cancel, you see where it's right now. No, you need to press it.
Hold it.
Yeah, and you see where it's right now. And then you wanna go up, go down. Every touch is like 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press cancel. See? You wanna
Back.
go higher, you go more, or you go down.
Let me get some sauce real quick. Facts. Yeah, that's what the flames at. Someone get him right. Oh, Gamma. Go ahead, get him right. Hold it there. Nah, facts, yeah.
Yeah, I had that thing on one.
What that? What y'all think about the white step out banners though? I'm not gonna lie. Should look tough. Yeah.
I wish they had these.
White on black go crazy. So you finna show me what?
Don't blow your shit up.
The zo-step.
The Zo step? Damn, you gotta try again, bro. She pooting today, bro.
It's too hot right now. It's zo-step when it's cold.
Yo.
What you got going on, bro?
What, nut in the seat, man? Nah.
It's all good, bro. I ain't YouTube. I ain't do nothing crazy here.
It look crazy.
I'm about to go to Sonico, you heard? Cap.
They make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
Yo, does he know we going to Sonico?
Damn, don't listen.
Yeah, bro, Gerber. You're a Gerber.
Bro, it was an accidental.
You're a Gerber like the baby food. That shit tastes good though. That baby food, ever had baby food in the jar? With the little metal cap.
I like
when
the,
you pop it off, it goes.
I like that.
Can I do it now? I need that.
No, you don't need nothing. You don't need this ass. You lucky to get in car.
Hello, bro.
It's scared likely.
I made it.
Don't recognize now that I'm blasting. Gotta drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk